name is Tehya, and here's 2 ways to make your friend laugh. So, let's say your best friend is sad. That is no good. So, you might want to tell them a joke, like, what kind of candy reads books and plays video games? Nerds! That's a funny one. And you can think about a story that is funny in your life. Like if your cat got scared. Like my cat got scared because I was playing with my dolls and she thought that it was scary. Well, that's 2 ways to make your friend laugh when they're depressed. So next time, you should maybe use one of those, like the nurse joke. Like and subscribe, please.